Hi guys, I need to show you in this video how to separate the stone, 57 stones for the building pad, for building the slab. Here in my project you can see like electrical crew, they run their conduits from the back. That's the new electrical room, small, coming this way. They have floor boxes. You can see floor boxes. They put it to grade. Everything per drawing, per elevation. The top, the finished floor elevation for the slab will be the same finished floor elevation for the top of the pier boxes. Okay, and plumbing guys, they done rough and below slab. Everything is good. They pass an inspection. So, and sprinkler through system, they installed the riser pipe in the mechanical room. Everything is good. Okay, so you can see plumbing, electrical, everything is good. Pass inspection, electrical floor boxes. Okay, everything is to put it on correct location to grade. And then we started right now, after we pass the start right now, to separate the stone using the rock slinger. You can see here, help us. Because if we use the bobcat, we have bobcat, a lot of bobcat. If you use the bobcat, it's hard for us to separate the stone between the step up plumbing, and we cannot run over conduit. We will damage all those conduits. So you can see we have here entrance for this building, but we prefer to use that machine. That's the great machine. Help us. You can see we have like 4 loads or 5 loads of stone, and we have here bobcat to help. So we loaded the stone over there at the back. We didn't block ourselves, and then here we set this rock slinger, and now we started to fill it. So you can see that's good. Smart machine. We use it to save our plumbing work and electrical work. So you can see how it's worked. Yeah, we use it. Everything is came. Over there we have the stone. Everything is good. As I said, that's the best way. That is the best way to separate the stone and save plumbing and plumbing pipes and electrical conduits. Here we have like concrete crew to help to put it to grade, and here we are using laser level. You can see, so that's help us. We just need to put stone 4 inches down. That's the laser level. They need like 2 to 3 hours to finish the work, and I said for pre-treatment for termite control after 3 hours. So we'll do termite control here, separate the chemical stuff, and then we'll put the plastic sheet, all the material on site, plastic sheet, chairs, wire mesh, wire, everything is good to go. Expansion joints. Okay guys, and here I will put some insulation around the plumbing, so when we pour, like same like this one, so when we pour concrete, the concrete will not damage the pipe and there's no cracks, because the cracks will start from the pipes coming everywhere. Okay guys, this video about slab work, and here you can see I lay 2 courses of block and use the top as a L or chair, so that will be form work. It's better than do turn down the slab and we need to do form work. So the block is work as a form. Everything is good. And they will pour concrete tomorrow at 2 p.m. and then we'll do saw cut joint next day in the morning. Like we'll follow pier to pier box this way and this way, both direction. We'll do saw cut. Okay guys, if you like this video, please like, subscribe. I will upload more videos about construction work. Thank you guys. Bye.